We are in Cagle Recreation Area. This is site number 27. It is a lovely campground. Tons of shade, especially even here in the summertime when it's really hot out today. Shade is providing some nice relief. Anyway, here, quick walk around. This particular site is an ADA accessible site. Well, I don't know how accessible it is because it's severely sloped. I think we were down like 7 inches here in the front. Now left to right we're actually really good. That part is not bad. Cross slope's really good, but front to back it is sloped a bit. It's a wider, seems to be a little bit wider site than the rest of them. I didn't know that at the time. I don't believe that it said it on the site. It does now when I looked. Either way, they said it's no big deal. There's a number of them throughout the site, throughout the campground here, that they are still, you can pick it, you can use it. But they are, there's 3 or 4 of them, 5 of them in this loop. Either way, let's walk around a little bit. It does have full hookups. I just haven't connected the sewer yet. Sewer, water, electric, 50 amp, 30 amp, and looks like 20 amp. I think. No, I don't see a number on it. Either way. Lots of space between your neighbors. If you take a pan around here, you can notice this. I mean, it's got some gorgeous space, good views out the back, lots of shade trees, huge trees. Good long sites though. Sites can accommodate quite the trailers in your vehicles. Place to hang, you got your picnic table, fire pit on my right. Underneath some awesome trees. Stand next to this thing, just go ahead and pan up, take a look. That pine tree is huge. But anyway, cool. Here's this cell phone service, not the greatest here. AT&T, I did put the antenna up. It's picking it up a little bit better. I'm getting like right around 20 megabytes download, and then like 2 megabytes upload speeds. But I was able to have a Teams meeting this morning. So there's that. I'll hop on the scooter. Let's ride around this place a little bit. Let you see all the sights. Alright, Sweetgum Loop 1 through 19. Let's go check it out really quick. It does have a walking path, I noticed, along the fronts of it. Even our loop has a walking path. Bathroom right on your right. As soon as you come in. It looks like the host. Three on the right, 4 on the left. Yep, okay. 4, 5, alternate through. 6, 7. Let's see which one that must have been number 8, because there's 10 on the left, 9 on the right. Another campground host and number 11 there. Emergency site, 11, 12, 14 on the right. 15 minutes. Nice, like I said earlier, really treed and shaded. That part is lovely, except for some of the sites obviously don't have as much. But that is it for the Sweetgum Loop. Head on down the loop I'm staying in. Loop 20 through 47. So once again, you got the kind of walking path, I believe, the connection right there at the beginning to be the emergency site. So 21 on the right. We'll go from there. 22, 23, 24, 25, 26 on the left, and then there we are, 27, just to give you an idea. And then you can follow this the rest of the way around. If you look through the trees down here, you can see the lake. The lake is just right there. There you go, you have a good view for it. 34, 35, bathroom, 37, 36, 38, then you got the host at 39, 40 on the right, 41, 42 and 43 on the left. 42 was right there on the right. 44, 5, 6 right back behind me there on the right. Bathroom house on the left. And 47. I'm going to pause here and we'll drive down by the marina. Alright, let's head down to the marina here, take a quick peek. Ooh, it's a hot one today. Goodness gracious. It looks like you got parking on the left. Yeah, I got some overflow parking, looks like. What they use parking, some more parking. Trail down to the water's edge. Same thing. Boat ramp. A little dock that you can go out on, pull up your boat, get out on it. That's pretty nice. It's funny, I think I said marina. Not a marina, boat ramp. Trails. Have to come back, check that out. Anyway, that is it. That is everything here in the Cagle Recreation Area as far as campsites, campground, boat ramp, boat launch. So there you go. All right, we'll catch you later. I am not sure where the next stop is actually going to be. We'll see. So take care. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you next time.